Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding what kind of background removal you need: screenshot, exported image, or live page. Open the Chat UI and make sure you're signed in, then capture the frame you want. Once done, open a lightweight image editor or the browser dev tools to inspect the element. You do this because knowing the source, raster image versus DOM element, determines whether you crop, mask, or change CSS background properties. This saves time and avoids rework later. You proceed with the method that matches your source. If you have a raster image, use a selection or magic wand, refine edges, then create a mask and delete the background. Export as PNG with alpha for transparency. If it's a live chat element, open DevTools, identify the container, and change background color to transparent or adjust CSS background image and z-index. Make sure to test visibility against different page themes, because contrast and padding can reveal artifacts if you skip refinement steps. You finish by exporting the cleaned image or applying the CSS changes permanently. Save backups and version copies. Once saved, test your result in multiple contexts, light and dark themes, mobile and desktop, to confirm the background behaves as expected. If things go wrong, check z-index stacking and container padding first, then look for semi-transparent anti-aliased edges in the image. If CSS changes revert, ensure you edited the correct style sheet or applied a more specific selector so your fix persists.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.